Yo! First order of the day is going to be a McDonald's. This one is $8, going just under 6 miles.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Good morning. Will you be using our mobile app today? Okay, got it. All right, that's for McDonald's, and we can't do that.
Okay, let me reach out to them, see if I can contact them about that. I'll pass back around.
Okay.
Okay, I just messaged them, so now we wait. But I also just got an add-on order. It is a Starbucks, $6 and change, going 2 miles. So if they don't answer in like a minute, I'm just gonna cancel this one and go and do that one. Yeah, I'm just gonna start heading over to the Starbucks and we'll see what happens, because it's not too far away from here. Even if they do reply, I'll just turn around.
Thank you, go.
Thank you.
Our train's so cool today.
Next up is going to be on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this is a Jack in the Box going across the river, which I already know is going to be unnecessary because I'm positive that there's Jack in the Box over there as well. I think the mileage said it was like 7 miles, something like that.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Thank you. Yeah, the only good thing about this order is going to be not having to get out of my car for the pickup. Everything else kind of sucks. Of course, that was a no tip. Total for that one was $7 and change. Got an order bringing me back into my zone. This is a Starbucks going about 6.5 miles. Thank you.
Perfect. Got that right here for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, I recognize the name on this order, and this is a no tip. Yeah, total for that one was $4. Wowee. What a waste of time. Next up is a McDonald's. This one is going 5 miles. Says, do not knock or ring bell. The dog will bark, the baby will cry. Total for that one was just under $9. Okay, that one was pretty good, pretty good. Next up, we are going back across the river. Wahoo! This is a donut nook going 6 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
I had a DoorDash drop off for Joanna. I don't if you want to hold the door open. It's like 4 boxes of donuts. Thank you. Total for that one was $10 and change. Just sitting here waiting for the next order to come in. Here we go. Finally got something. This is a Jack in the Box, $8, going about 6 miles. And back to waiting. I feel like today is going to be a very short day. Here we go. Got a Burger King. This one is $7, going about 4 miles. Oh, already go.
Okay, you got
Thank
it.
you.
Thank you.
Heading right back to Burger King. This one is going 2 miles. I needed a PIN number from you.
Yeah.
There's that. There you are.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yep.
Have a good one.
You too. Nah, he was way too excited for me, especially for being a no tip. That is trash. Trash, trash, trash. Total for that one was $3. Wow. Amazing. Got this next order right away. This is a McDonald's. I think it said it was $13 going 7 miles. Next up is a Seize the Bagel. This one is going 5.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $7. Okay, it's starting to warm up and I have no interest in being outside right now, so time to go home. Current time is 8:59. I have no idea on the total. I just know it's gonna be bad. Okay, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.